Brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Iberet 500 liquid. Iberet 500 liquid is made by Abbott group of pharmaceuticals, and the price for one bottle is 68 rupees. Iberet 500 liquid contains 131 milligram of ferrous sulfate, 125 milligrams of vitamin C, 1.5 milligram of B1, 1.5 milligram of B2, and 1.25 milligram of B6, 6.25 micrograms of B12, and 7.5 milligrams of nicotinamide, and 2.5 milligrams of dexpenthenol. This syrup is indicated in the treatment of iron deficiency in people who have anemia. It promotes hematopoiesis, improves appetite and growth in children. This is 120 ml of this liquid, and it can be used by children and adults. Adults can take it as 2 teaspoonful twice daily after meals, and for children and infants the dosage is 1 teaspoon twice daily after meals. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.